back to our garden. We're gonna get this party started off right with some potatoes. Honestly, I don't have high hopes for these. They grew super fast and died super early, so I don't think they had the longest amount of time to really develop their spuds. But we can still see. We can still see if anything emerged from what we put in there. It honestly doesn't feel like it.
Oh. Keeper.
I think it was too hot. Just didn't like. I also tried to experiment by playing them like way deeper. That could have had some parts to play with it too. Yeah. Interesting.
You think?
Yeah. 0.
Wow. Whatever.
Wet header.
You didn't want potatoes anyway. Oh.
If there are potatoes in here, they're so small. They're like micro potatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna put them with your teeth. Noted.
Look at myself.
Oh! I'm going down. Numero dos. Maybe I'll start from where it's at. Wow, that's unfortunate. Okay. So noted. Potatoes like cooler weather. Plant them when the summer ends. We had a lot more success when we did that. Okay, cool. So now we know. Sacramento is too hot for that ish. Ooh, the soil feels moist down here though. It's like a pocket of moisture. That's interesting. Oh, got one potato.
Oh my gosh. You guys won't believe it.
Feast your eyes. Trial and error, you just gotta experiment. Compost this and start anew. Got some good compost here. Well, I guess we're using this for onions at some point. Oh, there's a worm in there. Whoa.
Oh, he's leaving.
Worm man.
No. Just a
We
baby.
got one, guys.
It's the babiest of babies.
I honestly think that is a spark. What kind of spider are you? I don't know. Identify yourself.
Jeez.
It's another worm. It's very tightly packed. There's like clay soil in there. Interesting. Very interesting. Whoa, that's a big old one right there. Look. Moving fast.
Whoa. It's like a red one.
Fast and furious.
Can we save them and go fishing? No?
I don't think we'd be saving them if we used them for fishing. I think we'd be ending.
I'm not saving them like that.
See if we can for this. Unlikely, but we can try. Another baby purple potato. This one's even smaller. Cool. Oh my gosh, I filled this whole thing up. Cool. Once plants go in at a certain temperature, unless they're really like the heat, they're not going to do well in it. Being planted or transplanted in it, typically plants don't enjoy that. They want like something a little bit more moderate in temperature. But let's grab ourselves some peppers. I know we have some. Oh, every time I come. Plant just cannot stay upright. I think this plant has a drinking problem and he just goes out way too much and he barely makes it back. Look at this Scotch bonnet we have here. It's definitely ready. Got a funny looking shape to it actually.
Got wide hips.
And then these Anaheim / Fresno / I'm not sure what they are, but they're one of the two. Nice, very nice red color there.
Vibrant.
Very vibrant. Might as well take this one too. Why not? Jalapeno. It's like at the the pinnacle of its green. I can see like there are darker undertones here, and it's starting to turn red. It's starting to get like a red undertone, so I'm actually gonna cut it. You need some cutty. There's another one right here, but this one's not ready. It's just getting started. Tomatillos. Not looking too happy.
Hmm. Blue.
It's a spot.
He made it swing.
That's what it's for.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, that's all for over here. I was waiting just for you guys to take this off. Oh,
Oh.
you gotta crack the top. Oh.
Careful.
This is Siracha. Yeah, this is a Siracha pepper. And it's the first one we're picking off this plant. Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, real Sriracha pepper. I've never seen a real Sriracha pepper in person before. But this is what they look like. Cool. Should I grab the other one too or not?
Yeah.
Yeah? You crazy?
Before it's too late.
Are you crazy? Some reds and some greens. I guess I'll just pick some more tomatoes for Miss Alina. Do some other preliminary mindless tasks like putting the compost over there and moving all of the, I don't know, kind of just tidying up a bit, but this is what we have for today. Just a cool pepper haul to show you guys the Srirachas. Looking forward to eating these. They are probably going to be super spicy, so I am a little nervous about how that's going to go, but thank you for joining us again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.